Froggy's Popcorn is known across our area for their unique flavors. And now, in celebration of National Popcorn Day, you can help a great cause. According to the owner of Froggy's Popcorn, Mel Fisher, the period directly following the holidays is one of the slowest all year, making this Sunday's National Popcorn Day vital to what she does.
Another dry January. People are watching their waistline. And so, yeah, this is a really, really important date for us.
Like many of us, Fisher was deeply affected by the images of devastation caused by the ongoing California wildfires. Some of the victims of those fires are house pets, hundreds of which have been left homeless in these fires. Fisher decided to use one of her busiest times of year to help out.
25 cents of every bag sold will be donated to the Pasadena Humane, which is an animal shelter who is inundated with wildfire relief.
According to their social media, Pasadena Humane has taken in more than 150 animals displaced by the wildfires. As for Mel, she hopes a small gesture during a busy time can go a long way.
It is so devastating, and I was just really moved to help out some lost and injured pets.
And while National Popcorn Day isn't until Sunday, the folks here at Froggy's are celebrating a little early. Starting today, if you buy 3 bags of popcorn, you get a 4th one for free. In the Highlands, Sam Carter, WLKY News.